What is up, beautiful people? I'm excited about today because it has officially been 1 week since I started working with my trainer, and I'm going to be doing these weekly sort of weigh-in videos to see my progress, really for my own sake, but I'm going to bring you guys along with the journey. I've been working really hard this past week, eating healthy. I have not cheated at all. I've been very strict about my diet. I've been going really hard at the gym, so I'm excited to see the results. Hopefully they pay off. I'm not sure how that's going to go. I'm used to eating like 1,200 maybe calories a day because I just forget to eat, and so Craig's got me on like 2,700 calories, which just feels like I'm always eating. So that's taking some getting used to. I'm also taking a lot of supplements, and so I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing, and then I'm going to go work out, and then I'll weigh in at the end of the video and we'll see. But let me show you these supplements. So every day I'm starting my day out with all of this. I know it looks like a ton, and it actually is a ton, but I'm just going to run it down the list. So this is an HMB with a creatine monohydrate and a Green Beret vegan protein powder. That's 20 grams of protein, which is less than some, but it's one scoop and there's 30 in there. I like this combo. I put these all together. I take it before my workout and after, and then before, the first thing when I wake up, I'm taking this C4 Ultimate Shred thermogenic fat burner. I'm not sure if it works or if it's just a placebo effect, but I feel like it's helping me out with that. I've got Replenex for my joints and cartilage, Megamin Sport, which is a multivitamin that is specifically designed for like high performance, which is what I'm doing right now. A fish oil just to help me have clarity of mind. A CLA to also help with muscle building, because the more lean muscle you have, the higher metabolism burns. And then I have got my psyllium sea tusk, which is just a fiber supplement, really healthy. I am going to take all this and then I'm going to go work on my new unicorn workout. Craig put it together. It's called the Unicorns because he said everyone's chasing strength and leanness, like lose fat, gain strength, gain muscle, and that's the unicorn because it's the hardest thing to get. So I'm gonna go do that. Okay. All right. Well, that was definitely a good workout. Man, yeah, I think I could do that. I'm going to be doing something. It's going to get gradually harder and harder. It's just starting me out. This is my first workout on his routine today. I was pretty struggling on that last shoulder press, but other than that, I think I could go a lot heavier, which is good. So now I'm going to go head over to the boxing gym and do some boxing for an hour. Alright guys, I am back home. I've got a shower, I'm feeling fresh. That workout was intense and I am starving. So I'm going to be making a gigantic breakfast, which is the new norm, which is kind of awesome. It's like the furthest thing from depriving myself, and that's amazing. So I'm really excited to show you guys what I'm eating these days.
is time to eat my breakfast. It feels like a ton of food, guys. I'm still getting used to eating so much food, but what I'm doing is tracking it here in this MyFitnessPal app, which is super cool. I can scan barcodes and make recipes and all kinds of stuff like that, just to keep track of my macros, keep track of my calories. I'm trying to eat 243 grams of protein a day, trying to eat 138 carbs a day, of which at least 40 are fiber. So that's been a real thing to get used to because I'm so used to not eating carbs at all. But I get to eat like an avocado toast, I get to eat like steel cut oats and things like that. Lots and lots and lots of vegetables. And so the good news is I did my weigh-in. I did my weekly weigh-in right before the boxing class. And I had lost 5.7 pounds this week. That's just 5.7 pounds from Monday to Monday, all of which is fat. My water weight pretty much stayed exactly the same from week to week. So none of that was water. It was 5.7 pounds of fat. But I'm gonna eat all this food. I'm gonna try to do this every single week. I'm curious what you guys are doing, how you're doing. I know last week whenever I kind of did the first video on this, I told you guys I wanted us to kind of do this together and encourage each other. So how many of you guys actually went and tried to start your own journey last Monday? What are your fitness goals? How are you hitting those goals this week? What does that look like for you? Let's cheer each other on. Let's encourage each other here in the comments section. And I can't wait to see what you guys can do, even as I'm trying to do this as myself. So we love you guys, and I will see you again next week. I am headed skiing tomorrow, so I have a game plan already in place, because if you fail to plan, you plan to fail, right? So I'm gonna meal prep all my food right now. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm gonna cook all my food for the week as we go skiing so that I don't cheat. I'm gonna cheat one meal. I've already planned that ahead of time, and that way I can actually vacation and not come back bigger than I left, which is exciting. So hopefully next Monday when I do my weigh-in, it'll be even lower than it was today, which is exciting as well. So love you guys. See you next time. Bye.
For your name's sake, you